Are you wondering how to change the order of products in Shopify? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So for this demo, I've just created a collection and some products in that collection, and I've added them to my menu at the top. So I've created a menu item called electronics, and I've created a sub menu item called phone accessories. So if I click on this, you will see all of the products in the collection. So we've got a phone case, we've got a phone stand, and we've got a phone charger. But let's say we wanted phone charger to appear first. Well, how do we do that? And that's obviously what you're here for today. So to do this, you need to first head in to your admin dashboard, so the back end of your Shopify store. And then what you need to do is you need to click products, and you need to click your collections. So I know that this is the phone accessories collection. So when you're doing this on your own Shopify store, you need to find out the collection that you want to change the product order in. So click that collection. And then if you scroll down, this usually is on best selling, but you want to have that on manually. So that's what was pre-selected for me. So you want to change that to manually. And then when you do so if I do that one more time, actually, you'll get to see it. If it was just best selling, obviously you can't change that. That's going to be dictated by your sales. But if you click manually, you'll see that these little buttons appear. And if you kind of hover over those, you get that hand. And that basically means that you can rearrange them. So for the context of this, we wanted our phone charger to be first. So I'll put that there. We'll put phone case second, and we'll put the stand last. So products have been reordered. So you don't need to press any save. It's all kind of done for you. Now just bear in mind that Shopify, the caching's a little bit slow. So sometimes it doesn't update in the store straight away. So I'm just going to go into a new tab. Hopefully this will work. If I go into my shop now, catalog, electronics, phone accessories. So there we can see, so if I do this here, here we go. We've got phone charger first, phone case second, and phone stand third in the order that we specified on the collection page. So as you can see, I've actually changed the order. If I do that one more time, let's just put the phone stand first, just to show you that working. It's products reordered at the bottom there, that's the confirmation. As I say, caching can be a little bit slow, so I tend to sometimes just doing it in a new tab seems to work. I don't know why. It doesn't always, and sometimes you have to wait a little bit. But if we go here, there we go. Phone stand in first position. We've reordered it and we've put it at the front. So that's how to reorder products on Shopify. It's all about adding products to a collection, and then it's basically manually changing the order of the products in that collection. So just as a side note, make sure that you have your collection set up and your conditions set to the product tag of what you want. So as an example, for this phone accessories, I put the product tag is equal to phone accessories, and then every product that I want in that collection, so a phone case for instance, has that as a tag, phone accessories. So you do need that in place for this to work. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do drop a comment down below if there's anything that doesn't quite make sense or you need any help with this. And do consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell button to be alerted of when I release new videos like this, and maybe even heading over to my channel and watching some of my other videos on Shopify and getting the most out of it. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.